Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to change your Twitter account's password. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. This process is similar for Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Twitter app. Here I go. Now go to the profile which is given at the top left corner. Tap on that. Now go to settings and privacy which is given at the bottom. Tap on that. Now go to your account. Now go to the change your password option. Now you have to type your current password here, but if you have forgotten your password you can tap on forget password. But as I know my password, I will be entering my password. Now you have to choose a new password for your Twitter account. After you are done, you can tap on done which is given at the top right corner. Tap on that. You can see that your new password has been updated. In this way, you can easily change your Twitter account's password. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.